In this video, we're going to highlight the fill in the blanks Smart Lab activity. To start, I'm going to go to a blank page and I'm going to click on the Smart Lab icon at the top of the toolbar. When I click on the Smart Lab icon, it's going to pop up all the different activities that are available to me. One of them is fill in the blanks. Click on fill in the blanks, it's going to pop up this little dialog box. In this box, I need to simply type or copy and paste a block of text into it. That includes the words you want them to fill in. Once I've done that, I need to, down at the bottom, click on the button that says Define Blanks. When I click on Define Blanks, now all I need to do is click on the words that I want the kids to be able to fill in. So I'm going to just quickly randomly grab some words. These are the words that they are going to need to fill in. You can choose a maximum of 10 words. Other options on the screen over on the right hand side is check answers. Check answers when they're prompted, check answers instantly, or don't check. Well, I don't like the don't check because that means somebody has to follow up with them and let them know what's right and wrong. The other two options just depends on when you want to do it. When prompted means after they've answered all the questions. Instantly means as they're going. So I'm going to leave mine as when prompted, and I'm going to simply click on Next. When I click on Next, it's going to take me to select a theme. A theme is nothing more than a background image. It makes it more engaging, more colorful, more lively. This is something I would highly recommend versus the simple black and white. There's lots of themes you can choose from depending on the game. So I'm going to go with Underwater and click on Finish. When I click on Finish, it's going to load up the activity, takes a few seconds to process, and there is the lab activity. Now you have the capability of pulling in and the student up to the board to have them completed at the board. They just simply grab from the word bank and drag words up into the screen. Because I've got it set for check after they've answered, now they can check their answers. And they'll see they got a couple wrong. They can simply correct that right there on the spot and then check their answers again. It's a great feature. It's a great check for understanding feature. This game is not meant to be a formative assessment. It is a check for understanding. So it is not storing data. It does not remember who did what. This does have the capability of using a smartphone capability, so students can actually connect to it through a smartphone or through a laptop or iPad or other internet connected device, and they can do it on their own. That's what's great. You can have a kid at the board, but you can also have all the kids working independently on their own devices, so everybody is engaged in the activity. That is the fill in the blank Smart Lab activity.